Good morning, students. Today we are here to do an activity from the chapter The Fun They Had, and the activity is totally based on human teacher versus robotic teacher. So let's begin the activity. Harsh or Arav?
Good morning everyone, my name is Arav Singh. I am studying here to explain why is AI teacher so very important.
Introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Naman Thomas. My topic is AI teacher.
Good morning everyone, my name is Harsh Kumar and I am here to speak about human teachers.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Mohammad Asif, and I am standing in favor of human teacher.
So Arav.
So, first of all, we don't know why is AI teacher so important.
Could you please speak aloud?
तो पता कि क्या बोलता है AI टीचर से इम्पोर्टेंट क्यों है? आइडिया क्योंकि ह्यूमन टीचर जो नहीं कर सकते वो AI टीचर भी कर सकते हैं. जैसे कि ह्यूमन टीचर क्या है कुछ एक्सप्लेन करते करते थक जाता है, लेकिन AI टीचर थक नहीं करता. AI टीचर कितनी भारतीय और कितनी टाइमली एक्सप्लेन कर सकता है, लेकिन ह्यूमन टीचर ज़्यादा हाईएस्ट 3 से 4 या 5 से 6 मतलब पहले थक जाता है और फ्रस्ट्रेट भी होता है.
That is good because then the students learn how to stop in your time and what to study, how much to study. AI teacher cannot feel that nor do that, so he cannot make the students read more than they are capable of. The human teacher understand that. That's why human is better than AI.
I agree with your point. You say that the bias in AI is so no emotions, but everyone knows. मैं क्या बोलूँ, मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि ह्यूमन टीचर को रिप्लेस कर दो AI से. मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि AI को सपोर्ट करो ताकि AI भी टीचर के साथ रहे, लाइक असिस्टेंट टीचर.
Harsh. You mean to say that Arav, AI teacher can work frequently, tirelessly, without any rest.
Yes, ma'am.
So Harsh, what do you say?
A teacher cannot maintain discipline in the class, so he does not cooperate with the human teacher. He does not able to do assistant he does not work like assistant to the human teacher. I will be point to say that the AI teacher can't can control the class, but AI we want human teacher, but even people can AI teacher can coach watch the student do like cheaters. We can talk. ह्यूमन टीचर नहीं कर पाता, ह्यूमन टीचर देख नहीं पाते कि कौन टीचर क्या कर रहा है. AI टीचर देख के बता रहा है कि कौन टीचर कर रहा है, नहीं कर रहा था, कौन नहीं कर रहा. इसलिए हमें ह्यूमन टीचर की जरूरत नहीं. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि रिप्लेस कर दो नहीं कोई क्लास है. मैं कह रहा हूँ कि उनका साथ हो.
By that point, the students also get their fellow AI student to detect the AI invigilator so they can cheat better.
Sometimes but we can upgrade more. हम अगर जितने अपडेट कर लें उसे भी तो शायद हमें इससे बेनिफिट हो सके.
Okay, now tell me one thing. Can AI teacher give you emotional support?
एक चीज़ें काट लेना, बट अगर हम इसे अपग्रेड कर लें तो शायद ही दे सकें.
But that still will be artificial and nothing like the actual human teacher. Artificial emotion is still artificial.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ, मैं नहीं बोलता कि अपग्रेड या इतना अपग्रेड हो सकता है.
But that way the students will start relying on only the AI and what he teaches. Unlike the actual teacher which gives questions and asks meaning of certain words, the AI will just write the text and show it to students to read.
Yes, right. He's right.
मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि उसने बताइए मुझे रिप्लेस नहीं कर रहा. मैं क्या कि अगर तुम्हें AI टीचर का सपोर्ट करना चाहिए, क्योंकि मुझे ह्यूमन टीचर के साथ एक ज़रूरत है. टीचर को ही ऑपरेट करना पड़ेगा AI टीचर को.
Yes. Human teacher is better because human teacher will operate the robotic teacher, and he also generate the robotic teacher.
AI can make mistakes and is not not always correct. Like it solves all of its sources are from the web, and most of the people on web don't know anything. But book is more accurate, I believe.
Naman, give your point of view.
But the human teachers are not available 24/7.
Yes. And now what will you say? In opposed to robotic teacher?
But that is in human nature, not being available 24/7. That's what makes it human. Because if the AI is available for 24/7, what good will it do when the student itself is not available 24/7?
If you know, the students, some of us, most students study in late hours, like night hours. So the teacher is not available for him. So AI is only a source to study like ChatGPT and other more sources for study. अगर हम यही बंद कर देंगे AI को तो वो पढ़ेंगे कैसे? Like more students का more hard टीचर का तो वो नहीं होता. वो 24/7 है like अभी मुझे 4 बजे amount solve करनी है वो available नहीं है.
They can do group study with different students. That is a good point. But the AI teachers have millions to do. So do we. We can buy more books if we don't have.
Yes, we can read books and we also listen books. If we have no time, then we can listen books.
Reading physical books can make our capability of reading
More better.
more better than before. And the AI teacher should not explain like a human teacher.
You say AI teacher can't explain like human teacher. So I think you will try and ChatGPT to understand. In my opinion, I think human teacher is best. But AI teacher sometimes AI teacher is explain like more kind of like I.
But what if the students doesn't want to read, it's tired, and the teachers keep explaining, the AI
Yes,
teachers
yes,
keep
yes.
explaining, that will then be more uncivilized and not good for the student brain.
For the students' mental health.
Yes.
Only human teacher keep in their mind that students are tired or what they have personal problems. Only human teacher can understand their emotions and feelings.
Human teacher can keep the student engaged in what they are studying.
We try to get more of the basic on this thing. I don't think that it is
The AI teacher provides immediate responses and corrections.
human teacher can't.
Sometimes immediate responses are not better if the student is given time to think. Like if you give only half the answer, student can figure out other half by his own. That will be better for his total capabilities and for coming up exams.
So now we can say that AI teacher kill our imagination. Imagination is killing our AI teacher is killing our imagination skill. Now we can't imagine.
First of all,
We are totally dependent on robotic teacher, na?
First of all, AI can't really manage. AI is generating our machine, like GPT. Everyone knows what is managing strategy in it. Like AI की हमारा टाइम सेव करता है. आपको बता दें हम एक सबसे पहले हमारा टाइम सेव करता है. आपको पता है कि जितने मिनट्स AI बनाने से पहले उसे बनने में कितना टाइम लगता था? 3 से 4 मिनट का टाइम लगता है. जापान में आर्टिस्ट थे वो बनाते हैं. मैंने एक मूवी ना एक्सप्लोर किया है द नेम ऑफ द फायरफ्लाई. ये मूवी है जो एक्चुअली एग्जैक्टली नहीं है पर AI को उसमें बिल्कुल नहीं किया. उसे मूवी बनने में 3 से 4 साल लग जाए लेकिन AI आने से उसे खाली 3 से 4 मिनट लगता है बनने में. तो मुझे लगता है कि AI टाइम सेवर उस टाइम में हम बाकी चीज़ें भी कर सकते हैं. Like
Yes, AI is time saver. Now what will you say?
Like the teacher can update the interact personalities, interactive interface of the students and AI.
Yes, according to you, human teacher can interact with the students, but AI teacher can't interact with the students. So now that's all for today. Now again, we will continue our this topic in next video. Okay.